Got the Droptop R35 here, pretty much the last car of the show.
Yep. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We got...
From this angle, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Like
I
right
can barely
here.
see it. It looks pretty nice.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know, I'm warming up to it.
I still don't like where the exhaust pipes are, personally.
Get a little walk around. How about the kit? Do you like the wide body kit?
Aimgain.
That's when they upgraded the headlights, no?
Yes. Yeah.
I wasn't sure
Aimgain.
if it's like if you just have upgraded.
And the plate's down here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got the Christian plate frame. Good Christian man right here.
Almost 50. Yeah.
So we're able to just look through the roof of R35.
Everything is
Everything has a price.
has a price. That's
It was nice meeting you.
Definitely one of the more unique ones out there.
Yeah.
What is this background?
We're brothers. We fight together.
Oh, that looks aggressive. Huh.
Yeah, it's the original is a
That coyote.
Polarized.
so there are some things out there by
Watching stuff.
Oh, they got the cops.
Whoop, whoop. They're gonna arrest
Back
me.
to the GTR. Beautiful. I definitely give this one thumb up now.
Well, it's 0.9% APR for 2000 assistant.